Alright, today I am going to be talking about division and how to do division specifically, um, I guess when it comes to uh, numbers ending in zeros, right? So I guess let's just get to this, and I'll show you guys basically there's some tricks. So really, here's a comma here um, but really what we're looking at is we are going to be looking at the base fact here. So and just the slash is another way to do the division sign, right? So just to be clear, the slash is another way to do the division sign. There is no easy way to do the division sign on a regular computer keyboard, interestingly enough. But anyway, so I just use the slash here. So 2,400 divided by 80. So really what we're looking at is 24 divided by 8, which of course is 3. And then what we're going to do now is, since there is one 0 at the end of the divisor, I believe, is this number, we can cross out one of the zeros here, and then we just have to add any of the remaining zeros. So the answer is going to be 30. Okay? So that is basically the trick, is that we figure out what the base fact is. So 36 divided by 6. What is 36 divided by 6? Okay, so that equals 6. And then what we're going to do is we are going to see there are 2 zeros here. So that means we have to cross out 2 zeros in this number. And we have 1 0. So 600 times 60. Okay? So now the answer is going to be 60. Obviously not to this question, but to 36,000 divided by 600. Now we have to do the same thing here. So you find the answer to the base fact, 72 divided by 9, which equals 8. And then I'm going to cross out this 0 here, cross out the same amount of zeros in the dividend, right, in the first number, and then there are 2 zeros left, so I put those 2 zeros at the end here. So 72,000 divided by 90 equals 800. It's pretty simple. Yeah, so really there's there's not much to it, right? So you basically just make sure that you cross out the obviously you have to do it from the second number here, from the divisor. You have to cross out the zeros. You don't cross out the zeros on the dividend until you cross out the zeros on the divisor, because you don't know how many you have to cross out. So yeah, basically this is how you do problems like this. It's not too tricky. That's pretty much the trick to it. So hopefully that was helpful.